Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 15th, 2021, and on today's video, we are going to break down where we expect the price for Chainlink to go. But before I go into that, as always, if today is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. We're simply here to ensure that we are in position to grab the profits out the market right before anyone else sees where price is going to go. So make sure you tap those buttons on your device right before you head on out if you appreciate the content. So real quick, you guys can tell we did a price prediction in Chainlink all the way back here since February the 25th. You know, not hiding anything from each and every one of you. We anticipated that the market strength was going to continue in Chainlink, and we ultimately said that the price was going to find restriction around $31.75. And you all can tell that that actually came to pass on March the 9th, 2021. So it has taken a while for the market in Chainlink to actually go to our ultimate TP price, but you can still see it's 15% profitability. You know, we were already in position in anticipation to see the market in Chainlink go higher in price. And it's not a surprise that this market in Chainlink could not break above $32 because we anticipated that. That is why we ultimately placed our TP price right here around $31.70, because we understood that there were sellers at that particular price all the way back here on the 25th of February. This is how you're able to time the market. This is how you're able to actually know when to get out the market and take the profits and go, because many people would have maintained and stayed in the market in Chainlink under the premise that price was going to go higher once we saw the market come up here towards $32. And take a look. Since then, the market in Chainlink has just been going lower and lower. And now we really need to talk today as to, can the market in Chainlink keep price above that ascending line? We need to make that determination on today's video, because if not, the market in Chainlink is going to go lower in price, and we're going to break the overall trend that we've seen this market in Chainlink start all the way back since December 2020. We are now in jeopardy of seeing that being broken to the downside. So let's go ahead and take this out. 15%. Congratulations on those who was able to call that right alongside with us. Now we need to make sure that we call the next price prediction, the next price move, so that we can anticipate where the market is going to go. So I already told you that $32 is that area of restriction. So we need to identify that area as such. So this is going to be our area of restriction in the market for Chainlink. And we will not expect the market to go higher in price until we see price break above $32. So this is our area of forecast right here. This is our area of focus. As the market in Chainlink continues to trade this area, the market needs to show us strength right here alongside this ascending line in order for us to get more confidence that the market is going to go higher in price. Or we can see more strength come up here toward this restriction line at $32 to give us more credence in understanding that the market is going to break that area of restriction and move higher in price. Either or, we need to see those two things to occur in order for us to really see the price in Chainlink resume to higher price movement. So let's see this on a different time frame. So now we're looking at the market in Chainlink on a 3-day time frame, and generally what I'm seeing right now on a 3-day time frame in Chainlink, it does not look good to see this market go higher in price. I mean, we're already seeing on this current 3-day price bar the market closing towards the low of the bar. Now we still have a day and 14 hours left, so obviously the market is not going to look the way that it looks today. But when you take that in combination with the last two 3-day price bars, it definitely emphasizes that there are areas of restriction in the market for Chainlink, namely $32 all the way here to $30. So those are two restriction points in the market for Chainlink, $32, and then the closest one right there around 30. Okay, now let's see the market in Chainlink on a 2-day time frame, because now we have a better idea as to what the market is garnering and what it's actually showing us. We have 13 hours and 47 minutes left, and we're still seeing the weakness here. 5-day time frame. You can see the market weakness right here on the 5-day time frame as well. So this market in Chainlink, when you take this, let me circle it for you. When you take these five-day price bars, when you put them together in combination with how the volume in Chainlink has been on the decrease, lets us know while this market in Chainlink is trading at these all-time highs, that we're losing the interest to see continue higher prices. That is precisely what we are seeing in the market for Chainlink. Okay. And in this particular situation, looking at this on the 5-day time frame, I will be looking for the market to go lower. On the weekly time frame, you can even see it here that the market on last week closed off of the highs. That lets us know that the weakness is still present. So what we really need to do going forward is we need to see the trap come in, prop up the market on our ascending line, or we need to see him bring that price and find strength right around this area of $26. Okay. Now, granted, on the weekly time frame, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Chainlink come all the way down to 24. That is definitely in the realm of possibility from a weekly time frame on a weekly basis. Okay. So yeah, we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Chainlink. Right now, he is showing us that he is not willing to increase the price and that Chainlink is not a buy at this moment. So we need to wait and see where will he come in and prop up the market. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. We're still going to anticipate some weakness into the market in Chainlink. And we're going to focus in on $26 and then $24 as those areas of support. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Now, we stated that $30 is a restriction point and $32 is the ultimate area of restriction. The longer that the market in Chainlink does not break price above $32, the greater that we will continue to see this market in Chainlink trade this way. Or we're going to see the market in Chainlink break the trend to the downside. Those are the only two options that we can get. So we need to really pay attention to the market in Chainlink going forward. Now, in this particular forecast prediction that we are garnering, we would say that we would TP the market around 26, maybe a little bit higher. I would say right here on the low that came in on March the 6th, which was $26.28. We would TP the market out right there, which is still about 4.25%, 4.4% profitability. We'll take that because we understand that he can literally prop the market up on that particular price level. But I'm going to take it all the way down here to $24.58, which is still about 10.63% profitability into the market. If the overall cryptocurrency space gets real weak, we're coming down to around 24. Okay, so let's go ahead and hold this out. This is going to be our updated price prediction in the market in Chainlink. As you all can tell, we spoke to you all in a language that is understandable and not confusing, and as well our price chart is not confusing, and we're still in position. We are in anticipation of the market in Chainlink going lower. So now is your turn. What do you all see in the market for Chainlink? Are we going to see the market go higher in price, or will we continue to see the market go lower? Let me know, what do you all think about the market in Chainlink? Do you think it's a buy? Do you think it's a sell? Where are we headed in the next 3 weeks? Where will price be? I want you to tell everyone in our community where you think price is going to be for Chainlink. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.